Real estate has always been one of the most attractive ways to build long-term wealth. It creates steady cash flow, builds equity, and gives investors an asset that usually increases in value over time. The problem most beginners face is money. People assume you need a lot of savings, huge down payments, and strong financial backing before you can even think about buying property. But in 2025, the reality is very different. Thanks to technology, financing options, and creative strategies, you can start investing in real estate with little or even no money. In this beginner's guide, I'll explain step by step how you can enter the real estate market without large amounts of capital and still build wealth for your future. Before we dive into the actual strategies, it's important to understand why real estate remains such a powerful investment vehicle. Unlike stocks or crypto, property is a physical asset. People will always need a place to live, to work, and to build businesses. This constant demand gives real estate stability that other investments lack. It also allows you to use leverage, meaning you can control large properties with small amounts of money, often not even your own. In 2025, this advantage has become even more valuable because property values continue to rise while more innovative financing tools have made it easier than ever for beginners to get started without savings. The first strategy you need to learn is wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling is one of the simplest ways to invest in real estate with no money. The process is straightforward. You find a motivated seller, usually someone who needs to sell quickly due to foreclosure, relocation, or financial pressure. You negotiate a purchase agreement at a discounted price, then you assign that contract to another investor who actually buys the property. Instead of buying it yourself, you collect a wholesale fee, which could be anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000 or more depending on the deal. What makes wholesaling beginner-friendly in 2025 is the availability of AI-powered lead generation tools, skip tracing software, and online platforms where you can find both sellers and buyers. You don't need money to get started, but you do need time, energy, and negotiation skills. It's one of the fastest ways to make money in real estate without owning property. Another popular method is house hacking. House hacking allows you to turn your home into an income-producing asset. The idea is simple: buy a property using a loan with little to no down payment, such as FHA or VA loans in the US, then rent out part of the property to cover your mortgage. For example, you can purchase a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other. Or you can buy a single-family house, live in one bedroom, and rent the others to roommates or short-term rental guests. In 2025, there are still many first-time buyer programs that make house hacking possible with almost no money down. This strategy is perfect for beginners because it not only lowers your living expenses but also helps you build equity and gain landlord experience at the same time. If you don't want to manage tenants or live in a rental property, the next strategy is partnering with investors. Partnerships are one of the most effective ways to overcome the money barrier in real estate. Many people have money but don't have time, skills, or the desire to manage properties. You, on the other hand, might have time, energy, and a willingness to learn. By forming a joint venture, you handle the hard work, finding properties, managing renovations, or overseeing tenants, while your partner provides the financing. Together, you share the profits. In 2025, networking is easier than ever thanks to real estate forums, LinkedIn, and dedicated investor platforms. If you can consistently bring good deals to the table, you'll have no trouble finding partners who want to work with you. One of the most powerful tools in real estate investing with no money is creative financing. This refers to deal structures that don't follow traditional bank loans. A popular method is seller financing. Instead of going through a bank, you negotiate directly with the seller to make monthly payments. This works best with property owners who have no mortgage or who are open to receiving steady income over time. Another method is subject to deals, where you take over an existing mortgage by continuing the seller's payments while keeping the loan in their name. Both strategies let you control property without using your own money upfront. Creative financing requires strong communication and trust building with sellers, but once you master it, it unlocks opportunities that traditional investors often overlook. Another proven method is the BRRRR strategy, which stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. Normally, this requires upfront money, but in 2025 you can use private lenders or hard money loans to finance the purchase and rehab. Here's how it works. You borrow money to buy a distressed property, renovate it to increase its value, rent it out for steady income, and then refinance with a bank loan. The bank loan pays back your private lender, and you keep the property with little to none of your own money invested. Once refinanced, you repeat the process with another property. This method builds a portfolio quickly, but it requires effort to find undervalued homes and reliable contractors. If you'd rather not deal with tenants or renovations, you can also look at real estate crowdfunding and syndications. These platforms let you pool resources with other investors to buy larger properties like apartment buildings or commercial centers. Some crowdfunding apps in 2025 allow you to start with as little as $10 or even with referral bonuses. While this technically isn't zero money, it's so minimal that it feels accessible to anyone. Syndications also allow you to partner with experienced investors who handle the heavy lifting while you own a share of the profits. Another creative strategy to get started is using lease options. With a lease option, you rent a property with the right to buy it later at a set price. During your lease period, you can sublease the property, improve it, or even sell your option contract to another buyer for a profit. The upfront option fee is often small and negotiable, making this one of the cheapest ways to control property without a down payment. Many sellers agree to lease options if they can't sell their home quickly or don't want the hassle of long-term ownership. Technology in 2025 has made these strategies easier than ever. Virtual tours, digital contracts, and AI-driven deal analysis allow you to invest from anywhere in the world. You could be sitting in your living room while wholesaling properties in another state or even another country. This digital revolution has made real estate investing borderless, meaning you no longer need to physically be present to make deals happen. It's all about leveraging tools and building strong online relationships. But let's be clear, investing in real estate with no money doesn't mean investing with no effort. You will need to invest time, energy, and knowledge. You'll need to learn contracts, build relationships, and develop negotiation skills. Real estate rewards creativity and persistence. If you lack money, you must bring value in other forms, such as finding great deals, understanding market trends, or simply having the hustle to do what others won't. The good news is that in 2025, there are endless free resources, YouTube tutorials, podcasts, online communities, and AI coaching tools that can help you build your skills for free. To recap, here are the main ways to invest in real estate with no money in 2025: wholesaling, house hacking, partnering with investors, creative financing like seller financing and subject to deals, the BRRRR method with private lenders, crowdfunding and syndications, and lease options. Each of these methods allows you to break into real estate without relying on personal savings. You don't need to master them all at once. Start with the one that feels most achievable for your situation. For many beginners, wholesaling or house hacking is the easiest entry point. Remember, every successful investor started as a beginner with limited resources. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is action. Don't get stuck waiting until you have money saved up or until conditions are perfect. Real estate is about finding opportunities and using creativity to solve problems. If you can do that, you can build wealth even without cash. In 2025, the opportunities are bigger than ever. With rising rents, limited housing supply, and inflation, people who act now will set themselves up for financial freedom in the coming years. The strategies I've shared with you today prove that the lack of money doesn't have to stop you. What matters most is resourcefulness, persistence, and a willingness to learn. If you found this beginner's guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips on building wealth through smart investing. Leave a comment below and share which strategy you plan to try first. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep working toward your financial freedom.